Hi, it's Brittany from the Empurrium. Welcome back to my channel. Today is another day of the 13 days of Halloween video series, and we're going to make a pumpkin cat toy. Pretty easy, simple, straightforward. So you're going to need some orange felt. I have 2 squares here, front and back. I'm going to do some brown felt for the little stem. I almost did green. Need some polyfill, some catnip, something to fill it with catnip, and you use a pen to trace. I was going to print out a little pattern piece. I'm having technical issues today, so we're gonna hand draw this. Hopefully I can get a little something made up so that you can download it for free on my website. If not, a pumpkin's pretty easy, so I'm just gonna draw a shape, and you kind of want to, if you're gonna trace it, you're gonna want to make sure the pen works. Okay, it does. You want to trace bigger than you're going to sew. So I'm gonna kind of make this bigger than I normally would, I guess. I'm not good at drawing. I'm great at using other people's artwork. I cannot draw to save my life, pretty much. This looks funny. But this is going to be my pumpkin shape. Probably could go up a little here. The cats don't care. That's the great thing. So where I'm drawing here, this I'm going to sew inside of, and then it'll get trimmed off. So like wherever you're drawing, you don't have to worry it's going to get cut off. Did not plug the machine in. I'm using Thea's machine today. Maybe I just need to buy myself a pink sewing machine. Oh, does it reach the floor? Yes, the pedal. Okay. I'm using her machine because I want to use a zigzag stitch. I used to always sew my cat toys with zigzag stitches until I got an industrial machine for cat toy making so I could go faster. There's a bird at the window. But I am on a zigzag. I've got the length set to a 3. I've never done a zigzag on here. But I'm going to... Oh, hi, Donut. He's so cute. I'm going to sew, and I'm going to leave the top open because that's where I'm going to put the little stem. Oh, sorry. I must pay the donut tax with the Squishmallow. Okay. Get it, bud. All right, so I'm going to stitch like the top and around. And I'm going to back stitch at the start and stop. But you just want to basically put your stitches inside of that line you drew. So I'm just going around. Until I get close to the top again. I'm going to back stitch. Three might have been a little too big of a stitch, but it does not really matter. Okay, so now once you have this stitched out, you can trim. Well, you're going to cut it out, but you're going to go just inside the pen line. You don't want to cut your stitches, but you want to get that pen off of there. I'm really not good at freehand drawing. It's fine. It'll look like a pumpkin when we're done. It's a little funky. Okay, and then you're going to want your little stem. And you can kind of just rough cut like a rectangle. Oh, I cut 2 layers. Okay. So we're going to... I like to do like layer my stuffing and my catnip. So I'm going to put like half of my stuffing in. You're just going right in there. And then I like generally a healthy spoonful of catnip in my cat toys. And I use like a fine catnip, so there's really a lot in there. Oh, my cats are going to be so happy. Let me just... Oh, Donut is still there. It's like on him now. Oh, there's more. Okay. Here, guys. Woo! All right, I'm gonna put the rest of my polyfill in, and then you're gonna take the stem and put it in there. It's a really funky looking pumpkin today. But you know what? Pumpkins all look different. You're gonna go back to where you backstitched. Backstitch again. Go through there. Backstitch at the end. I think I almost sewed my finger. Trim your threads. It's a cute little pumpkin. Quick and easy, right? You can make like any shape. I've made a lot of different cat toys. I love going, if there's like a shape I want to make, I go on Google and I'll go like pumpkin clip art or something like that. And clip art is going to be like a simplified version of something generally. You can also put like simple clip art, and that'll kind of show you like if you just want to make something out of felt, like the basic colors to do it with. Hey, Donut. Oh, can you test our pumpkin kitty toy? Do you like it? Is it orange like you? I hope you enjoyed this simple pumpkin cat toy today for the 13 days of Halloween video series. And I hope that you will check out the rest of the series. If you haven't subscribed already, I would love if you did. And I hope you have a great day. Bye. Ready? Good catch. He really likes it. What you got? I love when he spreads his little toes.